Alright, what's up guys? So this is gonna be a tutorial on this game called Driving Empire. So I'm in my private server right now. So I'm gonna tell you guys how to, spawn in a car and all of that. So I have my friend right here, Daniel. Credit to him. He's like my best friend, but like so So we're gonna have him follow me because he doesn't know where everything is. So I'll show him. Uh, Alright, he's lost. Let me just tell him to reset real quick. I'll reset too, and we'll meet him there. So I'm gonna spawn in my car. So there's two different ways to get to races. One is this little key teleport thing. And these you can teleport to the dealerships and the races. So there's 3 races in the game: a drag race, the highway race, and the circuit race. So I'm gonna show you where the highway race, because that's the only one where I know where it is. So the highway race is just past the dealership. So you go down and you turn this way. Alright, cool. Who's following me? So I don't actually. Oh, this is the drag race. So the drag race is right here. So yeah, you can tap the doors on your car and they will open. So now the race is gonna start. So I'm gonna let him win since I have 3.2. So he. Alright, so he just won. So that's where one location is. Now the highway race. Oh god. Alright, so the highway race is over here. straight down there. This one right here. So this is the highway race. This one gives you the most money in the whole game. So we're gonna go ahead and start it. Now this one, I don't know how much money. So I'm just gonna let him get a head start. Wait, no, I'm gonna scare him. So you see how much money I'm getting, right? So as you drive, you get money. Let me wait for him now. So there he goes. Now I'm in second place. So yeah, he's following the circles. That's how you win the race. And then you just go on this road until you get to the end. So counted that. And then he won. So if you're a private server owner, there's this little hammer here. And then now here you can kick people, remove, and then you can set the time, and then you can change the weather. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the weather clear real quick. I'm gonna make the time update to 12. So now, yeah, he's still cruising along back there. Alright. Let me wait for him. Probably went up here. So that's a drag race right there. That's the drag race. And the highway race is back over here. That's the highway race. Then the customization shop is actually at the dealership. So don't worry about this. This you get money, but very little. So if you lose money by that, then don't worry about it. Because you primarily get money from the races. So we're gonna turn back here. So here's where you can get the cars. And then back behind it is the customization shop. And then here, this is where you can spawn in your cars. So here's all your vehicles. I don't have any. I have a boat. I have 0. Okay. So that's where you can spawn in your cars. So that's pretty much a complete review of this game. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and sub, and more quality videos will be coming soon. Bye.